welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Misa More fashion haul video. Now Misa More, the name is getting reflected here alongside the video. It's a Mumbai based online fashion company. They retail in a lot of great fashion stuff including bags and sunglasses and some really cool dresses. So ever since I have got to know about Misa More, I've totally been hooked onto it. What I like the best about Misa More is one, the quality of their stuff is really good, though it is like an online portal, and I really didn't believe in online shopping up till now, but ever since I've got to know about some really good online forums including Misa More, I have started believing in online shopping because the quality of the stuff, the services, the delivery and everything else is so good. So it's just been like a month or month and a half that I've got to know about Misa More, and I've been shopping stuff from their website, and I'm totally loving the experience shopping with them. So today I'm going to show you what all I got from them in this past 1 month. And also guys, today I'm going to be doing a lookbook. So this is going to be my first ever lookbook on my channel ever since I've started my channel. And I know when you do a fashion haul, when you're showing fashion stuff, you all guys want to see, including me, even I would want to see how the stuff looks upon you. So I just thought I will do a fashion lookbook on this video, on this haul, and I hope you guys enjoy. And once you are through with the video, please show this video a thumbs up, leave your comments, let me know which is your favorite look, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And before I dive into the lookbook, I just want to say a couple of things about Misa More. First, the disclaimer guys, it's not a sponsored video at all. Misa More is not even aware that I'm doing this video, but being a fashion blogger, being a YouTuber, I think it's my job to tell you guys about what's available where, at what prices, something which is reasonable, something which sort of gives delight to the consumer, and something which is readily available. Then why not share that information? So that's my only objective, to share with you guys whatever I get from wherever and whatever I really like. So it's like benefiting both the consumers, the audience right there, and as well as these sellers, these dealers who are doing a great job. So that is the aim. Second thing I want to say about Misa More is that the quality of the stuff is really great, as I said, and the prices, guys, the prices are incredible. I mean, their stuff, which I'm just going to show you now, nothing has costed me more than 1500 rupees, and that too like for a full floor length maxi or a quad. That is something which is of 1500. Otherwise things are like 1200, tops are for 600-700 bucks. Sunglasses are in the range of 350 to maximum 650, and bags also 1200, 1500. So guys, don't forget to check their website. I will mention the link down below in the description box. And now let's dive into the look. So guys, this is the first dress. It's a maxi dress. It's beautiful. It has these pockets. It's full sleeves. I really like to wear full sleeves. It looks so feminine and classy. It has this adjustable string on the waist, which can be adjusted for better fitting. It's a full length maxi. It goes all the way till the floor, and I just decided to pin it up with these jhumkis. And I wore these flat nude gladiators with this maxi. So guys, the next thing that I got is this beautiful red colored top. It has this beautiful red crepe fabric. It is having a peplum detail on the bottom, and it's also asymmetrical. As you can see, it's flaring down from the sides, and it's almost full sleeves. And I just tuned it out with these beautiful metallic earrings, and I paired it with this beautiful skirt from Van Heusen. It's kind of a trumpet skirt, and I wore these black heels like pumps, and yeah, this is the entire look. This top I got for rupees 600. That's all. The third outfit is this beautiful quad. It's a off-shoulder crop top in black, and it has been teamed up with this beautiful culottes. I love the striped design of the culotte. It also has like a belt which you can just tie it around, and this is how it looks. It's a very smart piece. It's a very smart dress set, and I teamed it up with these beautiful black earrings. These ones are from H&M. The entire outfit, the entire ensemble looks so chic, so nice, and I just wish if I lose a little more weight it will look even more flattering upon me. And I wore it with the same black pumps which I was wearing with the previous outfit. Guys, I also got these sunnies from Misa More. You must check their sunshades for sure. These are these beautiful blue color reflectors, and they have a nice top bar, a kind of a cat eye design. The temples also look very nice and chic. It's an overall very pretty, smart shades, and these retail for 600 rupees is what I believe. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, this haul, and do check the website misamore.com for sure. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.